Hello everyone, my name is Ivan Shumkov. I'm CEO and founder of Build Academy, based in New York. We are a marketplace for innovation, education, and solutions in the built environment, which you may know as architecture, engineering, real estate, construction, energy, building materials, products, and mobility. I myself am an architect, entrepreneur, and educator. Most of us live in beautiful cities and really well-built buildings. However, 90% of the world currently lives in areas that lack quality buildings and infrastructure. Therefore, there are currently over 6 billion people around the world who live in substandard conditions. And oftentimes this costs their lives and serious issues. Therefore, I created Build Academy, where we mobilized all the professionals and companies in the building industry. We integrate them, and together we work collaboratively to revolutionize the industry by empowering professionals and companies to build better. We're an impact company, and our vision is to educate 1 million people and impact the lives of 1 billion people by 2030. Why I'm the right person to make this happen? I've been educated, taught, and worked in some of the best universities and companies in our industry, and I'm really well connected to a lot of other leaders in our industry. Speaking about the building industry, which you may know as the biggest industry ever, with $13 trillion revenue globally, growing at 4%. Within this huge industry, the market opportunity is really big. Online education, on which we are focused, is globally $15 billion. And here in the US alone, it's $6.5 billion. Our business model is based on partnering with content creators to develop online courses, programs, and global challenges, and then provide them to professionals, companies, and governments all over the world. We do two main things. One is we educate people with the best skills and knowledge in the industry through our subscription to online courses and programs, and then we provide them with actual opportunities to access global projects that have real-world impact, and those we call the global crowd-solving challenges. So just to give you an idea, this is just one of our enterprise products. In the global crowd-solving challenges, we partner with companies and governments to run these challenges in the forum of the course, where we invite participants in our community, and currently we have over 60,000 professionals on our platform. We invite them all to work collaboratively on this platform. We give them feedback. We invite experts and professors to help them in the process. In the end of the process, we select the best projects, we implement them, achieving some real-world impact. And just to give you some ideas, next week we are launching a global challenge on providing access to energy to people around the world in areas they don't have currently energy. We're partnering with an NGO called Liter of Light. In the past, we've ran challenges on emergency shelters, resilient housing, schools, and infrastructure. And we're currently preparing another one that will be on resilient cities. The biggest benefit of this model is that we are able to provide really unique solutions that are specifically geared towards solving this problem in collaboration with the clients and in collaboration with experts in our industry. So in a very short time and with a fraction of the cost, that would usually be the price of a design solution, we're able to provide solutions that are implemented after these courses. We're working with some of the largest construction, real estate and project management companies, as well as some leading NGOs like UN Habitat, American Institute of Architects. We have been partnering with, currently these are our partners for this new challenge, which is launching next week. What the platform looks like, we were able to actually build a platform that is able to be used for the challenges and at the same time for education. And this is our proprietary platform, and this is what it looks like from the inside. In terms of our revenue, we, as most of the companies here, we plan to make at least $50 million in the next 3 years. And the good news is that we've covered our projections for this year. I started the company 3.5 years ago, so we've been having a really steady growth. and we foresee a lot of opportunities in the next years. We have a full team of industry experts, people in technology and sales, and really people who have been with us, and we have achieved quite a lot in the past few years together. In terms of competition, many of you know the big companies, the big startups in the online education like Udacity, Coursera, and edX. So those are all rather horizontal. And on the other side, they're broad and they're quite successful. On the other side, we have some old school companies in the building industry who have been there forever. Most of them are brick and mortar. And so essentially we are disrupting the largest industry with the industry with the largest opportunities in the online education. In the past, we have been published in some of the top magazines and websites in our industry, and we have been also exhibited in 6 major exhibits, including the United Nations. 2 years ago, we are launching another exhibit this fall, and also we are lighting up the front of the United Nations with number 7, which is the Sustainable Development Goal 7 on energy. So in summary, Build Academy is galvanizing a global community of building sector practitioners to learn, develop, and share the skills and knowledge to implement high-impact projects worldwide. We're looking for partners, for investors, and for anyone who is passionate about what we do, and for anyone who wants to change the world and make a difference. So if you want to learn more about what we do, I'm happy to speak with you after the presentation, or you can find us at buildacademy.com. Thank you.